Previously on this channel, you saw the part 1 for me sending a survey to my closest friends. We finished reading out 6 of the surveys and we have 7 more to go. So, here's the others. Next person to do this was Jimmeet. Jimmy what? So, Jimmeet and I have been friends again for 2 years. I met him at university and yeah. So when I asked him how do you rate our friendship when we were / are close friends, he said 4, which I agree with. Like, I'm not as close to him as I am with Revati. So yeah, it's a 4 for me too. And mentioned 2 things that you like about me, and he said confidence and creativity. Thank you. And mentioned 2 things that you don't like about me, and he said overconfidence. Like, I somewhat agree that I get sure of some things and then they don't turn out well, and then it's like, what's your favorite memory of us together? And he said paratha Maggie. I think that's my favorite memory of us too. Like, this was way back in like week 1, week 2 of university when we were like meeting for the first few times, and we were like the only 2 people who were under the age of 18, and all of our other friends were going for a party and we had to stay home. So we decided to like have dinner and like just chill with the flatmates or something. And we made parathas, like those frozen ones that we have, and we didn't have anything to have with the paratha, so we made Maggie. So we had Maggie and paratha. Weird, but it kind of works. You should try it. How close do you think we are right now? And he said 4, and I think that's true. And he has nothing to say to you guys. So the next person to do this was Raksha, and Raksha's been one of my closest friends since like the last 6-7 years now, and we met at school. And yeah, so I think hers is going to be like, I want to say nice, but then I know her and she is not capable of being nice, so I don't know what she's put, but let's see. Rate our friendship, and she said 5 when we were r / good friends. Yeah. And I agree, like we've always been very close, even with school, even after moving away to uni and everything. I agree with her completely. Mentioned 2 good things you like about me, and she said loyal and always ready to help. She's being nice to me and something's happening to me. Mention 2 things you don't like about me. You're annoyingly smart and you don't tell me everything. Those are not even bad things, so I'm just happy that she didn't write anything mean. What's your favorite memory of us together? The sleepover. I agree. Like, I think we straight up laughed for an hour and couldn't breathe by the end of it, so that's my best memory too. How close do you think we are right now? And she said 5. Still super close, and I agreed. I think we've gotten closer after moving away to uni even more, if that makes sense. But yeah, what would you like to say, people who are watching this? Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. Go like and subscribe. The next person to do this was Neet. Neet is my cousin, but we're like also really close friends, and I've known him ever since I was born, but we were close like when I was in 9th grade, 10th grade and stuff like that, but then it kind of washed away because we got busy with our lives. And yeah, so let's see. Rate our friendship when we were / are good friends, and he said 3, which I wouldn't agree with. Like when we were like good friends, I would say it was a 4 because we did share a lot, so yeah. Mention 2 good things you like about me. Great perspective and good sense of empathy. That's the nicest thing you've said to me. Mention 2 things you don't like about me. Got so consumed in your educational decisions that you couldn't enjoy your teens. I am not going to agree to that. I just think my definition of fun changed after a point because I decided to cut my circle small. I was just hanging out with the same 4 people every day. And it might seem that I wasn't having fun, but I was having a lot of fun. It was just not as big as before, or, you know. How close do you think we are right now? And he said a 3. I would agree. but like we don't even talk much anymore. We text randomly and we still catch up sometimes, but yeah. What would you like to say to people watching this right now? And he said, half of our daily struggle is in finding the right words. Next person who did this was Disha, and again her, Hriday and me grew up together, so even with her I have known her pretty much all my life. And before I moved to uni, I don't think we went even like more than 2 weeks without seeing each other, and those 2 weeks were maybe because we were on a trip or something. And I think we've always met on a regular basis. So when I asked her to rate our friendship, she said 5, very close. And I think that's kind of, that's kind of like a given when you've known people for so long and you still meet them constantly. Mention 2 things that you like about me, and she said always getting chocolates and my shopping partner. So I have this thing where I get my friends chocolates like all the time. So, and the shopping thing, I think we were like the only 2 girls in our friend group for the longest time. So that kind of went with it. Like, mention 2 things that you don't like about me. Now you know the roads and we're never going to get lost. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm directionally challenged. I have the ability to get lost in my own neighborhood. Like, I could be 2 minutes from my own house and get lost. Don't trust me with directions. What's your favorite memory of us together? And she said, the long walk to the garden and then you buying me street food because I was almost too dead to go back home. Actually, there was a lot of them. Night outs, trips, exhausting shoots, childhood, and how creatively we used that one kitchen set and turned it into everything. Switching heels just to get me an entry, baking together, also me never sharing my toys, and the only movie night where we thought Yash might die and Buggy was taking the whole space on your bed. Oh my god, that's actually a lot of memories. I know, like, the long walk, I made her walk 1 hour to go to this park that I wanted to go to, and then we got lost in the middle of it. We went there and then we stayed at the park for like 5 minutes, and then she was so hungry I had to get her food, and we walked back home and she was just not ready to walk back home, and it was actually funny. And I know, like, when I was 8 or 9, I got this kitchen set as a gift for my birthday or something, and we played with it as if our life depended on it for like a few months, like solid. We would meet every day and play with it, and we made so many variations out of it, it's not even funny. Oh, the heels thing was, we went to this place which was like above 18 and we were like 17, so we just switched heels so she would look taller to get in. Yeah, we're that kind of people now. And the buggy thing, I know, she came to a sleepover at my house, so we're neighbors, so she just walks out of her house and comes to my house whenever she wants to. And this one time she decided to get her soft toys with her, I don't know why, but then on the bed it was me, her and the soft toy, and then it was her sleeping like that, her soft toy sleeping like that, and my poor self being like this the whole night. How close do you think we are right now? And she said 5, which is true. Like, we don't talk much when I'm at uni and stuff, but like when I'm back, it's like right from where we left off. So yeah. What would you like to say to people watching this? Always be ready for the gossip. I would say always be ready to get entertained, but yeah. The next person to do this was Kevin, and Kevin and I have been friends for like 6 years now, and we were super close when we were in college. So we met in school and then we went to the same college, but like we weren't close in school. We rate our friendship when we were /are good friends, and he said 5, which I would agree that we were very close when we were in college. Like, I think because we saw each other every single day and spent a good amount of time with each other every single day. 2 good things you like about me, he says nothing. Like, I'm pretty sure he finished this in 2 minutes and has written single words. I feel like the teacher who gets pissed because their student answered questions in 1 word, and I'm 100% sure this is what this is. Mention 2 things you don't like about me. Your face. What's your favorite memory of us together? So many. How close do you think we are right now? He says 3. I don't know why. But I would say a 4 because I still can go to him if I have something, and we still talk. It's just that I moved away, and then he has college and everything, so he got busy with that. It does make a difference, but then when I'm back, we do meet up and stuff. And then even when I'm at uni, we do text and keep a check on each other. But it's not the same, obviously. Like, I don't know why he feels it's a 3, but I will still say a 4. The next person to do this was Vedika. I don't know if you guys remember, but Raksha, Vedika and Varnika are also my closest friends from school that I did a video about, where I recreated their Instagram picture, so you can go see that. I would say we were really good friends when we were in school, but then they moved away to the States like 4 years ago, and it kind of got distancy. Like, it was the time difference and everything, it was not us. But then I think after I moved to uni, we again became like super close, so I'm not complaining. How would you rate our friendship when we were / are good friends? She said 3, but I think she's talking about when we were in school. So yeah, I would agree with the 3 that we weren't that close at that time. Like, I was closer with other people at that time. Mention 2 things you like about me, and she said you're always there for your friends when they need you, and you're chill. So thank you. And 2 things you don't like about me, and she said when you went home mid-camp and left Varnika and me alone in the camp or whatever it was. Still mad about that, lol JK. I can't think of anything else I don't like about you. Those are not bad things. So like, this is like one summer where we all went to summer camp, and I had to return from the camp midway because I just couldn't stay there anymore. And I think I wouldn't complain about that because that camp was what brought us closer. So yeah. Also, Varnika is her twin sister and also one of my other very good friends, and I think she's the next person who did this. What's your favorite memory of us together? There are so many. Our long FaceTime calls of over 8 hours and sleepover at my house when we couldn't stop laughing. This is the same sleepover with Raksha, and we literally laughed for an hour and then couldn't stop. It was like the best time of our lives. We were meeting after like 3 whole years, and it was super fun. And the FaceTime over 8 hours, she's not even kidding. Sometimes over the weekends when we're at university and stuff, we just FaceTime each other like on a Saturday or Sunday, and everybody's in their dorms, so we just use each other as background noise sometimes, and then we're doing our work, talking to each other, taking breaks. It feels like we're all in the same room, and the call goes on straight up for like hours and hours. But I wouldn't change that. Like, it does feel we're all together. It's surprising how me, Raksha, Varnika, Vedika, all of us live in like completely different countries at the moment, but it doesn't affect us anymore. How close do you think you are right now? And she said 4. I would say somewhere between a 4 and a 5. Like, we're super close, but then because of the time difference and everything, I think that kind of doesn't let us talk as much. Yeah. What would you like to say to people who are watching this right now? Dhwani is an amazing person, and the best part about being her friend is that though we don't talk every day or don't see each other often, whenever we do, we're back to where we left off, and even though we're miles apart, we're still really close. Love you, Dhwani. I love you too. And the last one to do this was Varnika. Again, she's Vedika's twin sister, if you guys still don't know. And we've been friends for like 8 years now. I think Varnika and I have the relationship where we love each other but we hate each other, so we fight every single day, but we still are friends. Yeah, we're just those kind of people. Like, I think the person I have had the most fights with in my life is Varnika, but then she's also the person that I think made my school life more memorable. So it's just a different kind of a friendship altogether. Rate our friendship when we were / are good friends. She said 4, and like, I think when we were in school, I would agree with that. Like, I was still closer to other people when we were in school. I think we've gotten closer after I moved to university. Like, I've been talking to them a lot. Mention 2 things you like about me. Passionate about things you like and helpful. Thank you. Mention 2 things you don't like about me. Never free, over exaggeration at times, haha. So with the over exaggeration part, like, my friends know when I'm over exaggerating, and I don't like over exaggerate if it's like really important stuff or really serious stuff. Like, they know that I'm having my fun at that point. At least I hope they do. And never free. Like, I don't know what to say about that, because I feel that they're never free and they feel like I'm never free. Because of the time difference, it's 9.5 hours usually. So whenever I'm sleeping, they're completely free, and then it just seems like the other person is never free. But yeah. What's your favorite memory of us together? Sleepover scams, and how can I forget fighting constantly in school but would sit right next to each other every single day, lol. Funny part is I don't even know why we fought so much anymore. I agree, like, I don't know why, but Varnika and I fought every single day, and the next day we would come and sit together. So we had these desks with 2 chairs, like 2 people would sit together in school, and we would fight every single day, but the next day we would come and sit there with each other. Why? I don't know. We had a lot of empty benches in our empty desks in our classroom, but we would just sit with each other. To the point where we had like a ruler and a pencil, and we drew a partition in the middle of the desk, and we fought that this is your part, you're gonna stay here, this is my part, I'm not gonna come to your part. Just random fighting for no reason. How close do you think we are right now? And she's at 4. I would say somewhere between a 4 and 5 is the same thing. It's the time difference which is not allowing us to talk as much. Also, we're all doing like very heavy courses, so that kind of makes you busy. But we're still very close. What would you like to say to people who are watching this right now? She's a wonderful human being. She'll almost always keep you entertained. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. I think those were all my friends. So I know it's kind of crazy sending a survey to your friends, but YOLO. But yeah, if you like that, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if this was fun. I don't know. And I'll hope to see you guys soon.